Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Guide Hub. Today I will show you how to add your Facebook friends on Instagram. Now let's get started with the video. First open your Instagram app and then tap on profile icon at the bottom of the page. And then there you will see a hamburger icon at the top right corner. Tap on that and then you will see a menu pop up. Tap on settings and then you will see different options. Tap on follow and invite friends. Now you will see 4 options. Tap on follow contacts. Give access by tapping on allow access. And now again tap on follow contacts and then you will see the option connect to Facebook. Tap on connect. Now you will see this page. Tap on continue. If you are not seeing this page, then that's because you are not logged into Facebook account. First go back and log into Facebook account and then come back here and tap on continue. Then tap on yes, finish setup. Now if you want to sync your name and photo, then tap on sync name and photo. But if you don't want to do that, simply tap on not now. Now again tap on connect to Facebook. Now you have successfully connected your Facebook account. Now you can add your Facebook friends by simply tapping on follow button. But if you are unable to find your Facebook friends, then that's because your Facebook friends haven't connected their Instagram account. So that's all. Hope this video was useful for you. Please don't forget to like and share the video and subscribe our channel. If there is any query related to the video, you can simply comment down below. Thank you.